Okay, so here is the printed in place chassis completed and ready to run. Isn't it a beauty? Yeah, clearly this wasn't designed as a remote control car to start with. Like I mentioned in the past, it was just a two-wheel drive chassis, and it was originally designed for 1AA. I then finished designing the steering a couple days ago, and because I'm lazy and excited, I just merged it to that file to create a rolling chassis. And finally the electronics arrived last night, and I mounted it. Clearly it has to be resized a little, but it is working. So there you have the steering, and there you have, let me turn that around, and I'm going to explain that in just a minute. So even the gears are all printed in place, including the one that touches with the pinion, and of course not the pinion, but the theory is that you build the entire chassis, you stick a motor in it, you stick the electronics, and you run. And you mount the O-rings if you have a single nozzle extruder. But if you have a dual nozzle and you think you can do TPU in a dual print, then yeah, you basically have to just do one single print with the tires already in place. Obviously the next version is going to be designed to fit the new electronics, and I didn't cut any wires or do any of that. I've never dealt with this scale of electronics before. It's always been either AA batteries for mini four-wheel drive or 10th scale electronics. Anyway, I stupidly was fidgeting with the chassis before all the electronics came in and accidentally crushed the hub. So luckily I designed 2mm holes in these guys because I knew that they might break and I needed to reinforce them. So I did that beforehand. Yeah, because printing in this direction, everything is obviously weaker. So people might want to reinforce. So, and I'm already, this may look the same, but I'm kind of working on the next variation. This was really the first idea I had for steering, but it can definitely be improved to give a better performance. Okay, I'm rambling. Let's see this thing run. Bye. So this thing has thin tires, so it slides a lot around the house. So I'll be using it on concrete to showcase that it works. I have to also be careful with the throttle because it has more power than the tires can obviously take. Get back in there you go. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, there we go. All right. Well, there you go. Printed in place remote control car.